Today I visited Formnext in Frankfurt, one of the biggest trade shows focused on additive manufacturing. People travel from all over the world to be here. Let's step inside and have a look at all the cool things we can find. Whoa, that is a massive 3D printer. And here is the smallest 3D printer. The 3D printer with the most colors? Formlabs had their new Form 4 on display, and of course I had to grab a pen. Metal 3D printing is getting wild. You can find everything from 3D printed rocket nozzles to tiny FPV drones. Eventually, I found the booth I was most excited to see. Bambu Lab went all out with interactive games and all kinds of 3D prints on display. When entering, Dr. Tao, the CEO of Bambu Lab, was sitting right in front of me. I did not want to interrupt his meeting, so I chatted with one of his employees who pointed out that Joel was just next door at Elegoo, and there he was. Oh my god.
Hey, I'm Joel.
Do you remember me? No, I don't.
I don't.
Worked at the Hacksmith. Wait, look at that.
Oh yeah, okay.
Here's the picture I showed him, taken over a year ago at Hacksmith Industries, with this metal 3D printed Transformers head, which Joel will talk about in just a second.
What are you doing over here?
Well, I live here now.
Oh, congratulations.
Thanks. I lived here before Hacksmith, so I came back now. And I live just 2 hours away from here. I was like, and I saw you live. I was like, that's dope. I might meet you. Now
Yeah, you did.
Cool. Yeah.
Sweet, dude.
So cool.
Good to see you.
Love your videos.
That
We'll
head
see.
in the box is here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's here. Yeah.
What?
I know. Yeah, we had the same reaction.
Oh my god, I gotta go there.
Yeah, so it's downstairs. It's right prominently in the corner.
All right. Is Joseph Prusa here today?
Yeah, he's
He
here.
is?
Yeah.
And Dr. Tao is also here, right?
Dr. Tao.
That's great. You gotta talk to him as well.
He's a good dude. I talked to him.
that's-
Yeah.
no
Go
worries.
find Dr. Tao. Give him a high
I
five
will.
for me.
All right. Thank you so much. Awesome. Let's go find that Transformers head. But where could it be? I searched all over, and after what felt like ages, there it was. Funny to see it in Canada and now in Germany again, a year later. Next mission, finding Joseph Prusa. I was in luck. There he was. I had a quick conversation with him and even shook his hand, though I didn't record it. I checked out the new Prusa Core 1 and all the other cool things they had on display. After all these exciting impressions, I was getting hungry. I left the building and grabbed food at the closest restaurant I could find. Chinese. It was delicious. After heading back in, I spotted a familiar face.
I kind of think good.
Easy guy.
I like your shirt.
I see you on James' story all the
Yeah,
time.
we like
That's so cool.
I tagged him today. I was just like rocking Hacksmith merch. Dude, I
No way.
actually have to get a photo.
Wait.
I have to get a photo of you with this.
Cool. I met Frank Lee. I returned to Bambu Lab and saw that Dr. Tao was back. I took the chance and approached him. We had a great conversation talking about him starting Bambu Lab and other things. I can't believe I met all these incredible people. The only one missing was Stefan from CNC Kitchen, but that will have to wait for another time. It's getting late and I've got a train to catch. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.